Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove wrinkles from your leather jackets. First thing you want to try, if your leather jacket has been stuffed in a closet with a bunch of clothes around it and it's, been misshapen, or the sleeve has been tucked like that, or maybe you're like my parents and you have motorcycle clothes that are thrown into a trunk somewhere, leather does get wrinkled, and it's pretty easy to get wrinkles out of leather, actually, since it is a heavier material. If you just find an open doorway like this, where there's air going through front to back, where the jacket's not going to be touching any other clothes, if you can just hang it like that, where it's not touching anything, and let it stay there for a day, maybe 2 days, the wrinkles should just work their way out by the leather, the weight of itself on the jacket. It should work, the wrinkles should work themselves out. If that doesn't work, you can try to use an iron. This is a tricky procedure, and I would test it first in an inconspicuous place before you try to remove wrinkles on the larger parts of the leather, like here on these sleeves. But if you're going to iron your leather jacket, put your iron on the lowest setting possible and put a rag, a white, clean, lint-free rag, in between the iron and your leather. Just do it very, 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 very lightly, and then check it. And if you need to do it a little bit more, don't let the iron touch the leather at all, only the rag, and don't let it sit on there for too long. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you remove wrinkles from leather jackets.